Hello, YouTube. Back again after a little bit of a pause from YouTube. And we will do some Twitter recap. I have some stocks for you just before the markets here are opening. And yeah, let's see what the lovely people, again, it's mostly technical charting, what they are saying on X, the people that I follow. So again, I urge you to follow these guys. They're really, really good at what they do. They each have their own, their own views and how their own technicals, how they do stuff, but they're really cool guys. Give them a follow. You will not be unhappy with that decision. So let's dive in here. I have some stocks for you. Again, if you want to follow me on the Substack, it is at Usling IMV. Daily updates, uranium, gold, all that good stuff that we hope to benefit from, today and for the future. So here we have Bay. Again, this is not a technical chart, I know, but I will show you that it is again, he does a lot of updates with regard to gold and silver from the Chinese exchanges. So again, nice little updates, news from there. In the last half an hour of today's trading in the Chinese stock market, the gold miners and related stocks surged suddenly, with the volume rapidly increasing. Hunan Gold hit daily limit up. That's quite impressive. So what is up with gold and silver miners all of a sudden catching a very big bid here? Yeah, we shall see. We shall see how that ends. Sahara here, again, the visuals that he's doing, lovely. So silver cup and handle update. So yeah, this is by far the most powerful cup and handle play that you will probably ever see on a large time frame. Silver is going way higher. Not tomorrow. This is a 50-year pattern. It takes some time to play out, right? This doesn't happen over like a month. Yeah. So, but we are going to hit 50. We're going to pull back heavily, depending 40, 45, maybe, excuse me, 40, 35, maybe even 30. We could pull back all the way to 30 at that point in time. But overall, 10 years out, we should be way higher. I completely agree. Um, uh, the 12, the 20 MA bullishness aligned. Inlet panel shows support at the broadening patterns. Backtest and the weekly 12 MA is holding up. So again, big Fibonacci levels here. So yes, silver. I mean, silver. People are complaining, but if you have your silver stack, or you just hold, sit tight, and then you swap your silver to gold at somewhere between 30 to 40, excuse me, 30 to 20 to 1 in the gold silver ratio. We could see lower, but that will be difficult to time. Me here with gasoline on the 1 weekly. Big trend line break this week, actually. You can see here, boom, all the way down, breaking. We do have some resistance, support and resistance here, but I do think it looks like it wants to break above 2.05 here and actually go into a weekly uptrend here for gasoline. That should spill in over into oil, the USD. Should do that. But yeah, interesting here because oil is very much fighting for a major uptrend or a huge collapse. So my good man Burak, by the way, we have planned this Sunday to have a talk, 2 videos again. Uranium is one, and then we do the commodities. It's been a while, but the plan is hopefully we can do it this Sunday. I'm very excited to talk to him again. This is Burak, UNG, Nat Gas. Again, just look at the dead-on trend lines here. Again, very simple. You have the upper, you have the lower rail, you have this internal channel here. A break above that yellow. Again, hugely bullish on the gas. By the way, gas has broken to the upside above 3 this week here. I am very bullish on gas. I think we could see 6.4 roughly on the gas within sometimes in the future here. And then this one should obviously do a massive move to the upside. So I'm very bullish on gas until proven otherwise. Uh, Speaking of here, we have Burak again. Well, this didn't age well. Again, Burak had a chart where right here that we could reverse, and then we moved to the upside, and all of a sudden, boom! I know Burak is bullish on gas. He doesn't care, if he's saying something that we might return here. If we do the opposite, I know for sure he's bullish on gas now. So yeah, gas here looks really, really good, and we could see more. The reason why I have this $6 target is basically this inverted head and shoulders right here, boom, across there. So, and with the measured move, you get $6 from 3 to 6. That is quite a move, actually. But already here in Denmark, we're having some pretty cold weather. We had below 0 last night, so pretty damn cold. The crypto sniper here, market, Francis Hunt, 6 digits soon. Yeah, we're gonna hit 100K for Bitcoin. Will that be massive resistance? Oh yeah, it will be. Going from 5 to the next digit, to 6 digits, that's always, massive resistance. Same if you go from 1 to 2, from, 0 cents, from cents to a dollar, that will be resistance. So, but again, ever since we broke that bull flag, I had my concerns, that. But again, we broke it to the upside. We have bigger targets along the way, but 100K will be a place where I'm expecting people to sell off purely based on that 6-digit number. So, but Bitcoin doing well, some of the altcoins doing well. So here we have Dale. That goes to the trading view. Okay, cool. Never mind. Dale Pinkett here with check out his NatGas analysis on TradingView. Also here, I'm assuming he had a an analysis that went to the upside, and we have clearly surged from 3 to now to like 3.4 or whatever. So dollar trader here with copper, as I'm saying all the time, always a lot of good description, really good. This actually, even though you're reading this in like 1 minute, this writing stuff here actually take a lot more time than you would think. And if this takes like, let's say it's like 5 minutes to write, and he's posting at least 10 times per day. You're talking 1 hour just writing. And I know he posts more. So the amount of effort put into this, really cool. I appreciate that very much. Again, copper here looks a little bit sketchy here. We are at, big support, but also we are having a little bit of a bearish wedge here after this Trump, shenanigans here. So yeah, copper in a dangerous place to the downside. Jake here with Bitcoin going for the launch. Right now, I think Bitcoin is at 90, 97, roughly. Huge volume shelf here, a lot of support. Once you get above, you have all that as support. Big flag here as well. So yeah, looks good. This right here, just a tad below 70K. That was the big entry, and we haven't really been retesting that big breakout yet. So could that come? Sure. Would that be the end of the bull market? No, not 100%, of course, because we saw similar in 2020 when we broke. I think it was it 90K, and then we rallied a bit to like 20 something, and then we retested, and then we launched. So we could see the same here for Bitcoin. If we get that, you should be buying Bitcoin heavily at roughly 70K. Jake again here with the Dixie, big pullback incoming. Again, yeah, resistance right across there. You have 3 major tops here potentially. We're looking at the weekly. It did break out from this here. You can see it coming down there. We have been breaking out. So we are at least going to get back to that pullback area, from that trend line. But yeah, I think from a cycle, we should be seeing a pullback here in the Dixie. Should, again, nothing is 100%. The WTI, again, the scary place here. We have huge support, massive resistance. I just posted a gasoline here. You can see gasoline we're breaking. As mentioned, this could be the leading indicator that also USD WTI is going to break out to the upside. Yeah. The market sniper again, Francis Hunt. He has 2 accounts, actually 3, but 2 main ones. I think you can call it the crypto sniper, the market sniper. Follow both. He was the guy who got me into all of this, and I have been even though I haven't been talking to him, but I have been basically consuming everything that he has been releasing on YouTube, everything that he's posting on X. I'm consuming, looking at, trying to understand what he's doing, and he is very bearish on the euro in relation to the Swiss franc, and understandably so. Big wave count here, massive breakdown. Targets way lower than we are today. In percentage terms, this is not much, but in Forex, this is big numbers. So yeah, the euro overall measured against the Canadian, measured against the USD, also the Swiss franc, looks like it looks so bad. I mean, euro. I live in Europe. I'm in Denmark. It looks, yeah, it looks grim times ahead. At least for the Danes here, we have the our kroner. Our That's very important that we kept that and not the euro. Even though we are linked, with a ratio to the euro, I think we are lucky and we should be blessed that we still have the kroner because the euro itself, the entire nation and all that is, yeah, not good. Anyway, little bit of a dull, scary talk there. The Great Martyrs. Oh, look, mommy, a shooting star. So again, this is MicroStrategy. Yesterday, I think it is actually up 10% more even today. But again, if you look at any chart, I know Bitcoin looks good. I know it's blah 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 all that, but any chart that is this stretched will come down extremely hard at some point in time. Timing of it can be very difficult. But MicroStrategy will be in for a huge move down. Will we see a move all the way down to the breakout down here at roughly 180? Who knows, right? But anyways, this one is gonna give some people a big reality check at some point in time. Let's say we have the pullback from 1K in Bitcoin down to like 70K. What do you think MicroStrategy will do when you see a 30% drop in Bitcoin? Yeah, boom, it's gonna hit people straight in the face at that point in time. Jay Fong here with gold, gold XAU USD testing 2,670. Climbing a bit here again. I'm not so sure that I think we'll see some pullbacking, but the reason with this post that I want to show is that I've been following Jay Fong for like 3 years, I think. Maybe even not 4, but at least 3. And he's really good at levels and Fibonacci's. So if you want to learn something about that, study his charts. And I have been asking questions from time to time, and he is happily to answer at least what he's done to me. So really cool guy, very very down to earth kind of guy. So yeah, that is all that I have today, guys. The markets are opening in an hour roughly. Let's see how it looks. Should we take a brief view at the markets here? Should we just to see here? Silver up, gold up, Bitcoin up, obviously. It looks like green across the board. We have Nvidia earnings yesterday, so they might be. Let's check Nvidia because Nvidia is such an important. It's up. It's basically flat here. So yeah, for now at least we have green across the board. Yeah, guys, it's been a pleasure. Have a great day, and don't if you want to give it a like, all that good stuff. You know where to do it, and yeah, if you want to join me on Substack and the other members, feel free to do so. Have a great one, guys. Bye.